What a day. Sour Skittles look pretty good. I think I'm gonna buy those. Oh golly, my airheads got stuck. Hey! Don't shake the vending machine! Will, get over here! Why are you shaking the vending machine?
My food got stuck.
Your food got stuck? How do you like it, huh? How do you like it? Get out of here! Do not shake the vending machines. If you shake the vending machine, you may receive disciplinary action. If your food gets stuck in those vending machines, there are no refunds. However, if your food gets stuck in cafeteria vending machines, you may receive a refund at Laker Landing.